Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting in store for you. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome content. Now, here's the exciting part. We've curated an entire playlist just for you. Whether you're a newbie looking to learn the ropes, this playlist has something for everyone. So, what's the plan? Easy. Just head over to our playlist section, right down there, and look for our virtual staging series. It's a goldmine of knowledge, starting from the very basics and taking you on a journey to becoming a virtual staging master. Now, let's jump right into it and discover how to create a shadow catcher that'll make your virtual staging projects truly shine. Buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. Imagine this, you've crafted your 3D masterpiece, but it's missing that extra layer of realism, the interplay of light and shadows. So, grab your virtual hard hats, and let's get started. Hit that F10 key to open up the Render Setup panel. It's like the control center for your rendering adventures. Here's where we'll conjure the shadows that'll breathe life into our 3D world. Set the proportion of your image and lock it so that your image won't get resized. Alright, folks, we're on the next step of our journey towards creating a stunning shadow catcher. We've got our scene set up, and now it's time to choose our canvas for shadows. In this tutorial, we're going with the E-plane option. Now, where do we find this trusty E-plane? It's hiding in the standard primitives section. So, head on over there, click on it, and then let's get to work. Take your mouse pointer to the corner of the image, right where the action begins. This is where we'll start crafting our geometry. Click and drag your mouse pointer that will create a shape. By pressing F3 you can see wireframe mode here is multiple of segments, but we don't need it, so by moving into parameters section we'll reduce the count and make length and width segment as 1. By pressing W or selecting move tool you can exit from shape mode. Now by selecting that shape, right click on it, then there you'll find an option convert to, there's select convert into editable poly that helps you to edit your poly by vertices, edges, poly. Now select edges by pressing 2 or you'll find an option on right side, select from there. Select the left edge and drag it to the end of the corner. Now drag the front edge and move it towards camera side. To give our plane height, select these 3 edges according to wall given in an image. By selecting edges, press Shift key and drag it in Z-axis to give it height. If your initial shape isn't perfect, hey, we all make mistakes, no worries. We've got you covered. Just press X to summon the Swift tool. This nifty tool lets you mark and adjust those edges on your geometry with precision. You're in control, and you can tweak it to fit your scene like a glove. So, go ahead and fine-tune your shadow catcher to perfection. Remember, the devil is in the details, and we want those shadows to fall just right. Use that trusty Swift tool to mark the lines wherever you need them. Be meticulous, be precise, this is where the magic happens. Create the edges and shapes that will make your shadows behave just the way you want them to. And when it comes to that light source, perhaps it's a window casting beautiful natural light into your scene. You'll want to cut an opening for it. This way, you can position a light inside to mimic the real-world lighting conditions. Our shadow catcher is now primed and ready to capture those elusive shadows and bring our 3D scene to life. But that's not all, there's still plenty more to learn on this creative journey. Absolutely. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to see more exciting content like this, please do us a favor. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow creators, and, most importantly, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.